Dr. Khalifu Salifu penia wono ne hwe Chaba Orthopedic Herbal Clinic ano na ewo fonton from Jumedie so na opani betena se no se ye brebo no eboa ye pa nanso ade ba ko wo hono a nipa dodo no a enim ene se enam brebo no so yade ahodo bebre etimi eba nipadua ni mu
only say liver no one of the organs you overlooking ye hwe se ye be hwe se bibia be ko kama wo liver no mu na ye nim so say yare na high no nyina from arthritis cholesterol hypertension even fibroids ulcer nina ye directly or indirectly connected to the liver
beboasem
ye nim sa what you say
okay
nti ye di bibia ye live your life no anyhow na se ko ba no sa so a and also the pressure beto liver no so because liver no I just say some central processing factory bia ewe mu
okay
your liver no pe the organ even though all the organs are interconnected but liver no pe the only organ connected to every part of the body directly. Boom. It's connected to every part of the body because the liver alone no performs over 500 functions.
Hey.
So see the liver the functions of the liver
now 20 could enya some go 500.
Over 500 functions. Now liver no so ade bia be ko mu bia eduane edru bibia ye wo portal bi wo ha efe no the portal vein be from portal vein collecting moja from your intestines yemuniama no yemniama collecting moja from there now I transport moja no to the liver
okay
into eduane bia be di bia e call liver no mu insan bia be no bia e call liver no mu poison bia be no bia e call liver
no mu
bibia be no bia e call liver no mu now liver no na the first organ e be processes anyama no answer a cleansing blood no now distribute blood no to other parts of the body and so you can imagine say liver no enti mi nye na ejuma say there was say nye na
and obia is baby and the function is 500 days 500 days doso di ba kokra touch man say nyina
yes then it means say all the other parts of the body will start from the brain to the heart everywhere problem eba ho I don't think I say we patient na say okọ baby na say ba be treat wa e was say nipa no ba be treat no e was say onye obia or a lot of knowledge pertaining to health because you must be guided by knowledge. If you are not guided by knowledge, na say you are guided by money any problem beba
you be no mum tisa.
Oh, a lot of people a lot of people are guided by money, both orthodox